Hi there! Today I want to analyze social media platforms of few of the biggest companies out there. My name is Margarita and I help businesses to grow using social media. And today I want to analyze Facebook feed of Coca-Cola, for example. Let's see what they're up to and what can we learn from them. We all know that Coca-Cola spends millions of dollars on their marketing each month. So let's start with their Facebook page. Right now they have over 100 million users on their Facebook page, and let's see how many regions do they have. Well, a lot. They actually go worldwide. Obviously they have a great logo here, and their cover photo is also talking about their product, so we can't mistake them with anyone else. Let's see how many times per week are they posting. This is from 8th of March. Another one. And that's it. They're not posting so often. They have only 2 posts in March. Let's see their posts in February. They have 1, 2, 3, and that's it. They are not posting so often. They have their page probably just for custom services, because they have a big button of send message right here. They don't have any automatic message, so it looks very much personal here. Let's see about their engagement. From their 100 million users, they have only 374 likes and 25 comments, but they have a lot of shares. Still not enough for amount of users that they have on their page. And they try to answer to each and everyone who comments on their page. Let's go over all of their photos on their page. All of their posts are talking about connection to their client, just showing something they stand for: love, happiness, friendship, and so on. They're using their colors on every post that they post on Facebook. Let's check their advertising if they have any. They advertise right now only in United States, and this is their ad. They advertised a new product, a lot of videos, of course. This is general brand awareness. They want to reach as many people as possible, just to give them a message that Coca-Cola is still relevant. So if we're going to analyze their page, let's see what they did right. They have a logo, they have a great cover photo, and they have a CTA, call to action button, where you can obviously contact them directly on their Facebook page. Unfortunately, the important thing what they lack right now on Facebook is their content. I understand that everyone knows what is Coca-Cola, and you don't really need to explain it to anyone anymore, since they're such a huge international brand. But people are obviously want to see behind the scenes photos or just general marketing information that they can provide us about the product. There are a lot of things that they can post on their Facebook, and they are simply not using it in order to post any content. So my guess is that they strictly using their Facebook page in order to get in touch with their clients and from time to time advertise their new products. I hope you liked this video. Click like if you did, share it with your friends if you find it useful, follow my Facebook page in order not to miss any more tips from Facebook advertising and more. And I see you next week. Goodbye!